Hello students, today we are going to learn your practical number 5b. So under the practical number 5b, you are getting create a web application to demonstrate use of master page and the content page. As you can see in your question, it is mentioned that the web application. So first we'll create one web application inside your Visual Studio. So let's get started. First, we'll search our application, that is Visual Studio. Under the Visual Studio, we'll create a new project, and under the new project, you have to create web application. So I will search for the web application. So as you can see, there are two web applications. First one is your ASP.NET web application with .NET framework, and second one ASP.NET web application with the .NET framework. But the difference is that the first one comes with the C Sharp and the second one comes with the Visual Basic. Currently, as you know that we are using the C Sharp, so we'll select the C Sharp web application. So ASP.NET web application with .NET framework and the C Sharp. So I will click on the next. Here you can provide the name of your web application. So I will provide the name as my prac 5b and then create. Now here you are getting the various options like empty, web form, MVC. So we'll select the empty one and then we'll click on the create. After creation of your web application, it is an empty web application. So first we'll create one or two web forms. So before starting with the practical of your master page, what is master page? A master page provides the layout and the functionality to the other pages. For example, if you are creating one master page with some background, with some footer, with some header, then it will be inherited to the next page as well. So creating a master page in ASP.NET is very easy. So let's create one master page. So for creating the master page, you have to right click on your project, then add new item. Now under the new item, you will get the various options. So currently we are creating the web form with the master page, or you can just select the master page here. So again, add new item and then you can simply search master here. So I am searching for the master. So as you can see, you are getting web form with the master page, C sharp, and web forms with the master page. So currently we are creating one single web form with the master page. So I will click on add. As you can see, we are getting one pop-up here for the master page because you didn't created any master page yet. So first you have to create one master page. So how to create a master page? Okay, now so for creation of your master page, first right click on your project, add new item. So first you have to create one master page. For creating a master page, you have to select web forms master page. As you can see, the extension of your web form with master page is dot master. So first we are creating one skeleton of our website. Now for creation of your master page, first we'll set the title. What is the title? After running your page, you will get the name under the tab. So it is a tab title. So I will provide the tab title as advanced web development. That is our subject name, advanced web development. Similarly, you can provide the body and the other part as well. So for providing the other part, you can add the header and the footer part into your project. So for example, if you want to add the header part under the body section, you can add one tag with the name header, and you can provide the ID to your tag. So I'm providing the ID to my tag as header, and similarly you can provide any header. First I will close my tab. So I'm closing the header tag, and under the header tag I'm providing one text. So I will just write h1, and then under that I will write anything whatever you want, master page. So I will close it with the h1 close. Okay, now similarly as the header you had created, similarly I will create the footer as well after my form. So to add the footer, you just have to write footer and then your id of your footer. So I just wanted to provide the id as footer, and similarly I will close my footer tag. So close footer. That's it. Now another footer, as you can see, I didn't set it any text yet, so I will set one text here, that is copyright. Whatever you want you can set here, so I'm just writing copyright at the rate Sumit Tripathi. Sumit Tripathi. So now my master page is ready. So the master page, as you know, it's just a skeleton of your page. So after creation of your master page, you have to create content page as well. So how to create a content page? Just right click on your project, add new item, and then this time we'll select web form with the master page. Please keep in mind the first one that we had created is your master page. The second one which we are going to create is your content page. So for the content page you have to select web form with master page. As you can see, the web form with the master page has the extension of .aspx. So I will click on OK. After clicking on the OK, you are getting the content of the master page. So I will select site1.master, the page or the skeleton that we had created earlier. Now I will click on OK. After clicking on OK, you will get this kind of the code already generated. So before running your code, just check whether your script is enabled or not. So I'm just clicking on the drop down and then script. So as you can see, the script debugging is disabled. So I will enable my script and I will run my page. So as you can see, I didn't set it anything in my page right now. Under the webform.aspx, I'm not writing any code. We'll get everything from our master page. So as you can see, the tab title is advanced web development from your master page. Similarly, the title is inherited from your master page, as well as the footer part is also inherited from your master page. So that's it for today class. Thank you so much for attending the session. Thank you so much.